Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Mafia the Old Country game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Mafia the Old Country on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, you can immediately start your new game. And before you start your game, you will get the option to choose the language for both your speech and the text. In order to change the in-game language, you will need to change the text language. Alternatively, if you go into options and then go into settings, you can find the language menu here as well. And from this page, you can once again choose the text language, which will change the in-game language for your game. Once you have chosen your desired language, just go back and your changes will be saved. Just press the confirm button and then go back to save your changes. After this, you can continue to play your game with your chosen in-game language. And you may switch this at any point of time by once again going into options, settings, and then from the language menu, you may make your desired selection once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on Mafia the Old Country game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.